Marry the princess. Whatever next?
Oh, Mother, why must you joke about everything? I know it seems impossible, but you've always said the Emperor was kind, understanding man, just like my father. I'm sorry, Mother, I was born in love. And when I came before the Emperor, I was asking for whose bonus hand in marriage.
Look, son, enough, enough. Now, ponder your words. Ponder your father's words before you. Look to your father's words and ponder them carefully. Pick not the choicest fruit from the tree, unless you own the tree. Now, clear off. Go on. Get yourself ready for the Emperor.
Mother,
Yes?
I am sorry, but I will ask you.
And so, my sacred lanterns, in my heart, I knew one day he would become a man. Is this the time